Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this program, we are going to convert the text from a file into an audiobook using the Google Text-to-Speech library. So before starting this program, we need to install Google Text-to-Speech library. So for installing that, we need to write a command pip install Google Text-to-Speech. In my case, it's already installed. So let's move on to the next program. Here in the first line, this imports the Google Text-to-Speech class from the Google Text-to-Speech library. This class is used to convert text into speech, and GTTS stands for Google Text-to-Speech, which uses Google's text-to-speech engine to generate speech audio from text. And in the next line, import OS, this imports the OS module, which provides a way to interact with the operating system. Here it's used to run system commands such as playing the generated audio file. Now moving on to the next line, this line defines a function named create audiobook that takes two parameters, text file and output file. Here text file, the path to a text containing the content that will be covered into speech, and output file, the name and optionally the path of the MP3 file where the generated speech will be saved. Now moving on to the next line here, these files open the text file in read mode using R with UTF-8 encoding, and UTF-8 encoding is used to correctly handle text with special characters, and the with statement here ensures that the file is properly closed after reading even if an error occurs during execution. Now moving on to the next line, this reads the entire content of the text file and stores it as a string in the text variable. This string will be passed to the text-to-speech engine for conversion to audio. Now in the next line here, this creates an instance of the GTTS class which takes the text read from the file and converts it into speech. Here lang specifies the language for text-to-speech conversion. In this case, it's set to English. If you wanted to use another language, you could specify a different language code. Now moving on to the next line here, this method saves the generated speech as an audio file, and the output file argument specifies the file name where the audio will be saved. In this case, it saves the speech as clcoding_hindi.mp3. Now in the next line here, this prints a message to the console confirming that the audiobook, the MP3 file, has been saved successfully, including the name of the output file. Now in the next line here, this sets the variable text file to the name of the text file that contains the content you want to convert into an audio book. You would need to ensure that this file exists and contains the text you want to convert. And in the next line, this sets the variable output file to the name of the MP3 file where the generated speech will be saved. Now moving to the next line, this calls the create audiobook function and passes text file and output file as arguments. This starts the process of reading the text from the file, converting it to speech, and saving the result audio to an MP3 file. Now in the last line, this line uses the OS system function to run a system command. It attempts to play the generated MP3 file using the default media player for MP3 file on the system. This starts a command used on Windows to open the file with the default application associated with the file type. If you are running this on Linux or Mac OS, you need to change Start to Open or some file. Now we will check this program.
CL कोडिंग। CL कोडिंग एक प्रतिष्ठित ब्रांड है जो प्रोग्रामिंग और टेक्नोलॉजी से संबंधित उच्च गुणवत्ता वाली सामग्री प्रदान करता है। ये ब्रांड शुरुआती और पेशेवर डेवलपर्स को उनके कौशल को बेहतर बनाने और नवीनतम तकनीकों के बारे में जानकारी प्रदान करने में मदद करता है। CL कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर उपयोगकर्ता कोडिंग ट्यूटोरियल, प्रोजेक्ट गाइडेंस और उपयोगी टिप्स प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। इसके साथ ही सोशल मीडिया पर इसकी बड़ी फॉलोइंग दर्शाती है कि यह प्रोग्रामिंग समुदाय में कितना लोकप्रिय है। यह ब्रांड लगातार नई और उन्नत सामग्री के माध्यम से टेक्नोलॉजी की दुनिया में अपनी पहचान मजबूत कर रहा है।
So thanks for watching this video.